Well, thanks for visiting us here at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Wednesday morning forecast update. Cool morning today, not quite as chilly as the last few, as our weather pattern starting to change up a little bit more today, which is going to set us a little more in the wave. I wouldn't call it heat, but definitely some warm air this afternoon as your highs will wind up in the mid 80s. We'll feel a little more humidity as well, so we're kind of trending back in the direction of feeling like summer here for the next few days. Fortunately for us, we do have a cold front that's just north of the region here. This may help out with the humidity a bit tomorrow, but as we often see out ahead of these cold fronts, we're drawing in that warm and humid Gulf air, which is why it's going to feel a little bit warmer today. We'll see some of those scattered clouds around. We saw a lot of that yesterday. That will be the case again today, and your temperatures are starting out in the 50s. The past few mornings we have been in the 40s, so there's not the same kind of bite in the air this morning. It just feels absolutely fantastic out there early, and your winds have already kicked in about 5 miles per hour out of the southeast, and the winds today should settle in that 5 to 10 mile per hour range, which keeps the march of humidity coming in off the Gulf of Mexico. And your highs today winding up in the mid 80s. Typical high this time of the year would be about 78, so we're running well above average for this time of the year. It looks like our next big cool down probably on the way by the middle of next week. So look at your Robinson Futurecast like yesterday. You can see some of those mid and upper level clouds drifting through. Now Futurecast wants to send in a little bit of rain today, especially south of Interstate 20, so I thought about including just a 10% chance of rain in the forecast. But honestly, if we do see this rain kind of pop up here, it's probably not going to be much. And you can see by tonight, this is our frontal boundary coming in north of I-30, so I actually think there's a little higher chance that we could see a few lightly scattered showers tonight north of I-30, and then this front, as it moves through tomorrow, looks to be a dry frontal passage for us. So again, with the drop in humidity, our skies will clear out late Thursday. Stays pretty warm. We'll actually have highs tomorrow in the mid 80s as well, but we should get a little humidity relief late Thursday into Friday. And rainfall totals over the next week showing half an inch to an inch of rain, and most of this will be with a cold front that comes in next Wednesday, so it's just off the 7-day forecast at this point. But we're just kind of locked in the same weather pattern here for the next 6 to 7 days. We should have those comfortable mornings in the 50s and 60s and daytime highs in the mid 80s. Slight chance of rainfall there maybe Friday into Saturday. Again, if we do see any rain, it's not going to be enough to cause any issues as far as any outdoor activities you may have. And then a slight chance of rain coming back Tuesday. It looks like some widespread showers and storms, and maybe a bigger cool down on the way with our next strong cold front. That will be next Wednesday.